Cancer, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 30 to November 5, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, and pa-follow na rin ako, pa-follow, like sa aking Facebook page and TikTok, lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop, available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So this is your bracelet, Cancer. Meron tong Larvicite, Aquamarine, and Selenite na nag-align sa energies ng mga Cancer. This is available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, let's begin, Cancer. Ano ang ganap sa inyo ngayong week? For Cancer, let's see. Uy, Two of Cups. May love. May kilig. May transformation. Some of you, pwedeng mag-e-enter kayo sa new relationship. Oo. Kasi merong endings and new beginnings. So it's like you are starting a new chapter of your life. Nine of Cups, there is wish fulfillment and happiness. Oo, sa aspetong love. Maaring Scorpio or Leo energy. Let's see, ano pa? Okay. Six of Cups, oh my G. Pwedeng si past ay magbalik. The Hanged. Parang pag-iisipan mo kung tatanggapin mo ba tong pagbabalik na to, Ito yung tipong kasi nakita ko tong Strength card, parang pinipigilan mo no? Yung feelings. Oo, yung parang new chapter na ito. Yeah, I feel like ganito, dalawa yung energies na nakukuha ko rito. It's either merong new person na parating sa buhay mo, someone na kilala mo na. Oo, pwedeng meron na kayong history nito, pwedeng magkaibigan kayo, or matagal mo nang kakilala, pero hindi kayo naging romantically connected before, and ngayon may opportunity. And another scenario na nakikita ko rito, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, nagkaroon na kayo ng bagong person sa buhay ninyo, and you're trying to start something new in your life. And then, itong si ex, person from your past, nakikita ka na masaya ka. So, para ngayon, nagpaparamdam. Tingnan niya kung meron ka pa rin feeling sa kanya. So, with the Hangman here and the Four of Wands, I think, pinag-iisipan rin ng person na to from the past kung magre-reach out siya sa'yo. But I feel like, pinagmamasdan ka, pwedeng ini-stalk ka nito, inaalam niya kung ano nangyayari sa'yo, or parang sa kanya, somehow, may kurot, no? Oo, may kurot. May some sort of, parang, naka-move on na siya, ganon. Kasi pwedeng nauna ka na magkaroon ng bagong person, romantic connection. And I feel like, whoever this person is, possible na siya na yung forever mo. Pwede kasing mauwi to sa sa kasalan. Yung siya na talaga makakasama mo. Let's see what else pa. Cancer. Come to the edge. This is taking a risk. Diba? Iba sa inyo itong papasukan yung relationship, you are taking a risk, no? Parang pwedeng mabilisan, or alam mo na, you want to get into a relationship and you feel na okay naman, masaya ka naman, and you just wanna try it. Yin. This is about receiving, being open. I think meron kayong parang binibigyan nyo na yung chance sa sarili nyo na magmahal ulit. Yung iba naman, if this is not about relationship connections, romantic connections, possible din itong business partnership or working with someone you love to fulfill your dreams, no? Para matupad yung pangarap nyo. All that glitters. So, itong all that glitters, this is about being cautious, no? Pagiging maingat. Kasi hindi lahat ng kumikinang ginto. Okay? So, you have to be more vigilant, no? Sa mga intensyon ng mga tao na bumabalik sa'yo or even sa mga makakadeal mo sa career, sa business. Pag-isipan mo munang maigi. You have Jupiter and Leo in the 5th house. 5th house is about dating. So, some of you maaring may mga opportunities kayo for meeting new people, connecting with other people, having fun. Oo, may blessings dyan. And also, the creative side, no? Maaring mas nagiging creative ka rin. You have Mercury in Taurus in the 2nd house. 2nd house is your values. Pwede rin tong finances. Mercury is like communication. So, pwedeng meron kang nire-resist na communication. Oo, para pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo. Pwedeng person from the past to. Meron ka talaga iti-take na risk dito. You have Saturn in Aries in the 1st house. Some of you, pwedeng papasok sa isang relationship or business na alam nyong risky. Oo, yung tipong iniisip nyo, bahala na kung ano yung magiging outcome, ganon. Ganon kayo katapang. 'Di ba? Let's see sa money career. May transformation. Change is coming. O, diba? Meron talagang transformation. Embrace the transformation. Sometimes change is uncomfortable but worth it. So, may pagbabago. Endings and new beginnings when it comes to your career, your finances. Something better awaits. Wow, ang ganda nito, Cancer. Whatever this is na papasukin ninyo sa trabaho, sa career ninyo, this is better. Mas maganda siya, mas okay siya kaysa sa current situation or sa dati nyong career or, you know, financial status. So, sa relationship, meron ditong friendship. You have friends to support you. And honesty. Ooh, okay. Siguro, no, ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na baka meron kayong friend na mag-open up sa inyo ng feelings niya. Aha, di ba? Kanina nabanggit ka, pwedeng matagal mo na tong kilala. Oh, baka mag-open lang ng feelings. And then ease. Today, I allow life to be easy. Ayan. So, ano lang daw, chill lang daw kayo. Wag daw kayo masyadong magpapastress. Kasi it will just, you know, make you feel anxious. Just take one step at a time. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.